Now, here's how you can adjust corners and radius here onto Figma. So we have here added an ellipse in here onto our design. So for you to be able to adjust the corner and radius of this, simply click onto that one. You need to simply head onto this right side corner of the screen. So as you can see, we have here onto the width 150 and here on the height 156. So for you to be able to adjust the radius of this, you'll just need to adjust this one also. You could enter the desired radius value, so let's try to update this one out. So we have here 159. Once we click on to enter, as you can see, it is already 150 and 59. So let's change it onto a higher value. Let's try in 200 and here, let's add in 250 and let's see what it would look like. So as you can see, this is how circle or ellipse would actually look like already. So you could continue to fine tune the corner radius until you achieve the desired look for your shape or element, or you could round all corners equally. You'll just have to copy the same value that you have on the other side. So let's try that one out. So as you can see, it is already round equally. So you could apply the same corner radius to multiple shapes in here. You'll just need to select the other shapes that you have onto your design. And right after that, it will all look like this. So as you make these changes, Figma will automatically save your progress. So this corner radius adjustment may seem like a small detail, but they actually significantly impact the overall design aesthetics. So with Figma's easy to use corner radius controls, you can enhance the visual appeal of your design and create user interfaces that are not only functional but also visually engaging. So that's how you adjust the corner and radius of your shape.